let me introduce myself first. My name is Vanessa Clara Syinta. I'm an English department student of Islamic Institute Bengkulu. In this section, I will explain to you guys about how to read Oxford Dictionary. Because why? If you want to speak English well, you must know how to read this dictionary first. Because you will learn about pronunciation, you must know what is the vowel sounds or consonant sounds. If you know that is how to read that, you can read this book and you can learn about English well everywhere you go. You can take this dictionary. The first one, I will explain to you about phonetic spelling. The first is vowels. What is vowels? Vowel sounds is like E, A, I, U, E, O, A, I, U, E, O. But we will learn about it too dark from that. The first one is E. You can see in your Oxford Dictionary, if you have this in your home, you can look in the end of the page of the dictionary. Okay, because we not have too much time, or we not have long time in this section, so I will just explain to you about vowel sounds. The first one is monopthong. I will announce you how to remember the monopthong sounds with easy way. You can make it like some music, like some music, like you can sing a song with the monopthong vowel sounds, like A, E, A, I, U, E, R, O. But if you wanna know how to the alphabet of A, if it's like this, is like V like this, and then like D, this some little D like that, and then E just like usual, and then A is A, and then E is E, U is U, and then U. If you look at this U, if there is a long U, the alphabet is like this, U, like that, and then U, E, R, O. You can look the Oxford Dictionary in the end of the page of this dictionary. And then the second one is diphthong. There is also the one song. If you wanna easy to remember the alphabet of these sounds, it's like A, Y, U, O, Y, U. That is how to make the diphthong sounds is easy to remember, like this. A, Y, U, O, Y, U. You can see the dictionary, Oxford Dictionary, I mean. If you wanna know and you wanna remember, I just announce you how to remember that sounds with easy way. So if you have done now how to spell it, you can read this dictionary. For example, like foliage, there is no foliage, but if you look at this dictionary, how to read that is like foliage. That is the true spell the word is. So this is very important to us to learn to speak English well. And then the second example, safety, not safety, but the spell the words is safety, not safety, but safety. So that is two so different like so different with how we spell it in our habit, right? And then the third one or the last one, I will give you example, guys, how to spell this. Folly. You know this playing, right? I know you know this, but how to spell it? Not folly, but valley. So if you know the sounds, vowel and consonant, diphthong, monopthong, voice and voiceless, you will can read this dictionary well, and you will know how to speak English with easy way. Because why? Because you can know how to pronounce some words with this dictionary. But remember, if you wanna too easy to remember how to read these books, you must learn first about the vowel sounds and consonant sounds first. Okay guys, because we have no long time in this section, thank you for your attention and watching me in this opportunity. If I have so much mistake, I just can say so sorry. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like and comment my video. If you like my video, I will post again my video, not just this. So let's subscribe, like and comment my video. Bye.